Hello and welcome to ScandiPWA weekly community session with agencies. Today is Wednesday, the 8th of April, and we are going to talk about several topics today. So first we are going to check the updated ScandiPWA documentation. Then we are going to see the newly released video tutorial, and I know that a lot of agencies were waiting for this video, and we're going to talk about the latest development plans that were announced by our front-end lead last week, as well as I'm going to present the ScandiPWA user guide. So, without the further ado, let's begin. So our first topic for today is the updated documentation. We have released the updated docs earlier this week, and it is still same helpful content, but with a brand new look and some fresh design. So as you can see, this is how the updated page looks like. The content is now divided into several sections, so it has a better structure and you can easier navigate and find the information you're looking for. And for example, if you're interested in how to install the theme, I'm going to demonstrate this. So I'm going to open the installation section, which is then divided by 3 logical subsections. And for example, if you're interested in existing Magento 2 instance, how to install ScandiPWA theme on your existing Magento 2 instance, then you will be able to access this section and you will immediately find the step-by-step instructions. And also, if there is a dedicated video that we filmed for and covering this particular topic, you will find this video in the relevant section, so you can not only follow the step-by-step process, but also watch the videos and go through the process together with our dev leads, as well as leverage some insights and advices shared by them in the videos. And as I mentioned in our previous community sessions, we have released a lot of new videos lately, so all these videos will be also added, actually already added to the documentation. So make sure to open our updated docs and check this information. And the link is the same, docs.scandipwa.com. You will also find this link in the description section below. So, start to move to our second topic for today. We have a new video tutorial released recently, and this video tutorial is covering one very important topic: how to install the ScandiPWA theme on your existing Magento 2 server. We know that this video was anticipated by a lot of you guys, and we've received multiple questions related to the theme installation on existing server. So we hope you will really enjoy and find this video helpful for you. You will be able to find this video in our documentation that I just recently shared with you in the previous section, or also on ScandiPWA YouTube channel. So here on our YouTube channel, you can navigate to ScandiPWA webinars for developers. You will see the freshly uploaded video, and if you open this video, you will see a detailed breakdown. As you see, this video is covering all possible aspects, starting from the requirements, then how to check that the prerequisites are actually met and you can proceed with the installation, and of course covering the full theme installation process. There are timestamps added, so you can easily follow the process and if needed go back to a section that you are particularly struggling with or have some additional questions with. And as you see, in 22 minutes we are covering the full process, starting from checking if your prerequisites are met to the theme successful installation, and then showcasing how it works. So in if you have everything ready, then in 22 minutes or so you will be able to install the ScandiPWA theme by following these instructions, and we hope you will find this video tutorial helpful for you. Another topic we're going to discuss today is ScandiPWA User Guide. Recently, I talk a lot with different agencies, and majority of them are asking same questions like, is this particular feature already supported by ScandiPWA theme, or is this feature will be supported if it's on our roadmap? And many agencies can't find immediate answers by browsing the demo store or checking GitHub. So I thought it's really useful to remind about the ScandiPWA user guide that we're keeping up to date and updating with all the latest information. So you can check immediately all the latest statuses and see the general state of ScandiPWA project. And when you are talking with your customers, when you are discussing your customers' requirements, you can have all this information easily accessible and informed. That would really help you with your work. So in order to access the ScandiPWA user guide, simply navigate to our website, and here in the menu you will find the PWA user manual link, and after opening this link you will be redirected to the user guide, and here in the content table you can easily find all the available topics. And for example, if you're interested if let's say virtual products are supported by ScandiPWA theme already, you can find this in the menu in the content section. So when you open this section, you will see immediate status, if it's supported or not, and also when opening a particular feature or particular page, you will see all the available information with the up-to-date status. And if we have a dedicated video tutorial filmed to cover this topic, you will see this tutorial. And again, when you're watching these tutorials, it's really easy to set up anything. You do not need to have any coding skills. Everything that you will find in this user guide basically can be set up by you from the backend, and in a couple of minutes you will find how you can get a feature you are interested in. So I hope that you will find this user guide really useful for you, and we're doing our best to keep it up to date. So in our fourth and last topic for today, I'm going to share some development plans that were announced by ScandiPWA frontend lead Alfreds during the latest webinar for developers. I'm pretty sure that this is something that every agency is also interested to learn about. And during the last webinar for developers, Alfreds mentioned some plans and the current progress. So we're now focusing more on stabilizing the current releases, and there is version 3 upcoming. So current latest version of ScandiPWA is 2.11.0, and most likely for some time team will concentrate to work, and the next release you will see will be ScandiPWA 3.0, and there will be a very exciting update, since we'll most likely see extensions released in the 3.x version. The extension mechanism is already created. There are also several extensions ready, and there are more extensions to come. So make sure to follow our videos and follow our newsletter, our Medium blog, to stay up to date. This is all from my side today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.